Nestable is whiteboarding supercharged. On this canvas here, I have a bunch of NLP concepts and some CV concepts being covered. Let's say that I want the CV concepts to be in a separate canvas. What I can do is I can bring up the sidebar by clicking on the page name at the top here. I can now select all the CV specific concepts, cut that, and create a new canvas here, rename it to CV, and then paste all the CV specific stuff here. You can obviously rename the page one into AI as well. Now, what I can do is I can take CV and I can nest it inside of AI. And this nesting will work for canvases at any levels. I can create more nested canvases under CV, under AI, or at the top level as well. I can also search for text across all these canvases. So I can just type convolution and it'll bring up all the different places it is mentioned. And when I click on any of these results, it only not only navigates to the specific canvas like CV here, but also highlights the specific shape that we've searched for as well. I can also create deep links as well. Now that CV specific stuff is in its own canvas, what I can do is I can create a deep link in AI canvas that links to the CV canvas. And the way I can do it is obviously right click here and use the add deep link to canvas, or I can simply take CV and drag it onto the canvas here, which will create a deep link. Now, whenever I double click the deep link, it'll now take me to the CV page. I can do the same thing for AI where I can drag the AI onto CV and it'll create a deep link for AI. Now, the deep linking is not limited to pages. Anything can be a deep link. So I can take convolution 2, right click and create a deep link. And this thing, I can move it to AI or any other random page. And whenever I deep click, double click, it'll go to CV page and also highlight that specific shape as well. Now, with this deep linking of pages and shapes, you can create presentations, you can create wireframes or games and whatnot. But nestable is purely local, so all the things that I've created here is not going to any server. It's purely on the laptop that you're working on. Now, the way it works to share this information is you can export and import different pages. Now, the export is not limited to the page that you're exporting. All the pages that are inside that page, all the things that are nested at any levels will also be exported. So you can create this elaborate applications or elaborate web pages per se with deep linking and of pages and shapes and explanations, and then share it with other people. And when they import it using the import functionality, they'll get the exact same copy that you have exported as well. So that's basically Nestable. It's live right now. It's at nestable.dev. It's free, it's local, so please do give it a shot. And obviously give some feedback as well by going to nestable.dev/about as well. Thank you.